This is October 6, 2015. It's our stainless steel department. We got quite a few projects going on. You can see that they're in the process of making a slope floor TI 650 stack. It's all quarter-inch plate, heavy-duty stuff. So we're in the process of doing that. And over here, this is a different chemical company. They're out of Chicago. We're building some tanks where they're going to have mixers in them and steam coils. Tubing that's rolled, and we're going to weld it together, and it's going to be a spiral steam coil. Here's the jig that we've made to put together the steam coils. And here's the bottom sections of the tank. The previous scene was the roofs for them. So once we put the coils, we drop them in, and we'll put the tanks together and bolt them up. Here's the back. This is a double wall square chemical tank. It has a secondary wall. This is all built to an API 650 spec. We're all double reinforced. It's a pretty heavy skid mounted tank. Very often, but inside the shop, this is where we do all of our support stuff. It's where we make our nozzles and put saddles together. Our machinery over here will be drill holes and punch holes and knock steel, stuff like that. So this is just the support area for the tanks outside. Right here we got Vanessa. She's putting together some saddles. We're building quite a few horizontal single and double wall tanks for a PA job in Washington. These are the saddles that we're putting together right here. They're all made out of 3/4 inch and 1 inch blade. That we're doing for another project. A lot of tanks have ladders and handrails. You'll see we roll all the steel and roll all the pipe in there and get all this set up in the air. And then over here in the back, you see we're making some ladders. That's a jig that we've made to make OSHA approved ladders. Again, we're just making parts and getting accessories for the tank. Project right here. This is a water process tank for Lake Berryessa in California. Just putting nozzles on it, some overflow pipes and whatnot. Pretty soon it's going to go into our paint department where we sandblast it and do the coating. Here we've got Wayne. He's put together all of our 150-pound flanges and cut pipe and mixed fanways and accessories. So again, this is just all part of our inside the building support stuff. This is a 20,000-gallon fire suppression water tank. One on to the right, we just built this for a Christian camp, a Sequoia Christian camp in Porterville area. We've already built it. Of course, obviously you see that, and it's painted forest green. Kind of a nice color up in the sequoias. You see we're super busy right now. It's very blessed to have as much work as we have. A bunch of 20,000-gallon tanks being built. El Hoist is another chemical company. We actually have dish bottoms on the inside. We got a 30,000-gallon vertical tank here that's for fire protection. That's going to be manifold together with this one on the left. And you see in the back, you got 3 used horizontal tanks. Those are just being reconditioned. So we do offer a pretty good variety of used and reconditioned tanks. Back here behind me, you'll see one of the saddles that Vanessa was making on the inside. Those are going welding onto the head. And ultimately, at the end of the day, we're making these horizontal tanks right here. So basically, that's what you got. Okay, what we have here is these horizontal single wall tanks. These are 30,000 and 20,000-gallon tanks. You can see the dimensions that we wrote, 10 by 35. These are going to a VA hospital in Washington. So we're going to build 8 of these right now. So we're working on phase 1. Okay, over here to the left of me right now is it'll be a square tank, open top. Our client is Water Tectonics. Right now, with the wastewater issues that we have throughout the whole U.S., there's a big demand for wastewater treatment tanks. So this is a square tank. Obviously, they prefab the walls and we stand them up. So when this thing is completed, it'll be one of these square tanks that I think we have on posted before. Several of them, they're painted blue. But this is an ongoing project with Water Tectonics.